Hey, what is good? YouTube Instructify here. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can play 2v2 against your friends. So, this is basically you and your friend versus your other friend and his friend. If y'all want to play 2v2 against each other, all you guys have to do is go to kickoff, which is the third option. After you have went to kickoff, wait a little bit, and then this is going to give you this option here. As you guys can see, there are 4 slots where you guys can connect your controllers. So let's say I want to choose this side, right? So I'll just press the right button on my controller, and boom, my controller is going to be on the right side. And you and your friend have to do the same thing. Both of you have to do the same thing. You both have to go to the right side, and your other friends, they have to go to the left side. After you guys have done that, you guys can press ready, and then after you all press ready, you guys gotta go to a classic match and then select your team and then start it like that. But if you guys, but let's say only 2 of you are here and your other 2 friends are at the different house, then what you want to do is go back. Then we'll go to online friendliness, which is here my third option. Then you want to select it like this. Then wait for it. Then you want to invite your friends. Then you want to go to new friendly season. Then here you want to invite your friend. Here you want to press invite. Wait for them to join your lobby. After your friend have joined your lobby, all you want to do is here, as you guys can see, it says guests, right? You want to press, if you have a second controller, you want to press on your triangle button, and also you want to press the square button so it says attribute enabled, which it means that you guys can both control players. And since I don't have a second player right here, I can't do it. But when you guys have a second player, you all you guys have to do is just press on the triangle button, and you guys can both play against each other. So if this video helped you guys out, make sure you guys like, subscribe, and if you guys need any more help, leave a comment down below.